Samoa Sinnet Fashion Show is a platform that was created, that I founded, for mostly emerging designers, and it's a collaborative effort between designers, models, hair and makeup artists, photographers, writers, bloggers. So it's everyone involved in the fashion industry, and that's Sinnet. And we chose Sinnet because of the afa, which is the interwoven bonds of us together. So this is our second year, and we have 4 international designers, and we've got 5 local designers, local brands, and one the 10th collection represents our charity this year, which is a Royal Summer collection. Well, we've got our show on Friday, the 14th of July. We've got a pre-VIP show where we've got entertainment and beverages and canopies for our guests, and all other tickets are 50 tala. And we're always thankful to our supporters and also the guests who come and just enjoy the night. So if you need more information, you can go to our Facebook page, Samoa Sinnet Fashion Show page, or our website, same name, or you can send us a message or on email to our email address, samoasfs@gmail.com. Yep, and all our tickets are available from Inara at Fungale, my shop at Fungale. So come down and enjoy the show.